Okay, let's talk about the suffix ed. When something happened some time ago, whether it was a long time ago or a moment ago, you usually add ed to the action or verb. Now, ed can be pronounced 3 different ways. You might hear it pronounced as id, as in landed, we landed the plane. It might be pronounced as d, just a d by itself, like I yelled at my brother to stop, yelled. Or it can even be pronounced as t, as in I asked for help, or I winked at my neighbor. So let's practice those 3 sounds of ed. Are you ready? Okay, our root word is land. Land. We're going to add ed. Ready? Sound it out. Landed. Landed. We landed the plane. Good job. Okay. The root word is melt. Melt. Now we'll add our ed. Melted. I like my cheese melted on my nachos. Okay. The root word is grant. Grant. Now let's add ed. Granted. My parents granted me permission to play outside. Granted. Okay. The root word is last. Last. Now let's add ed. Lasted. The movie lasted an hour. Okay. The root word is hunt. Hunt. Now let's add ed. Hunted. Hunted. My dad hunted in the woods. Okay. Sound out the root word. Act. Act. And now let's add ed. Acted. Acted. My brother acted like a monkey. Okay, sound out our root word. Sift. Sift. Now let's add ed. Sifted. Sifted. My mom sifted flour for the cake. Here we go. Let's sound out our root word. Nest. Nest. And add ed. Nested. The birds nested outside my window. All right, let's sound out our root word. Crust. Say it fast. Crust. Let's add ed. Crusted. The rust crusted over my bicycle. Let's read the root word. Insult. Ready? Let's do that again. Insult. Say it fast. Insult. And now we'll add ed. Insulted. My friend insulted my brother, and I had to ask him to stop. Okay, ready? Let's sound out our root word. Disgust. Sound it out again. Disgust. Say it fast. Disgust. Now we're going to add our ed. Disgusted. I was disgusted when I saw the squished bug on the ground. And here's a big one. All right, are you ready for this big word? Let's sound it out. Comment. Sound it out again. Comment. Say it fast. Comment. Now we'll add ed. Commented. My mother commented that my room was beautifully clean. Commented. And that is the first sound of ed that sounds like id. Good job.